Hey everybody, this is V again. Those of you who are following the keto diet can understand that we have to do without certain things, but I'm going to do an experiment today. Since I love bread and butter pickles, I'm going to try this combination here. These are just normal dill pickles, and this is the Lakanto monk fruit sweetener that is my favorite low-carb sweetener, and I believe it's the closest to sugar. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to combine these two and let everything dissolve and settle and marinate with the pickles and the juice, and we're gonna find out if we can get that bread and butter pickle taste without the sugar and of course without the carbs. Okay, it's been a few days. I let the sweetener marinate in here for a little while, make sure everything got dissolved and penetrated the pickles there. So far I have used 11 packets here. That seemed like a good number, so I don't know if it's too much or maybe not enough. We'll find out here very soon. So 11 packets of this monk fruit sweetener. And so if you look here, each packet is 3 grams. So my horrible math is 33 grams of monk fruit sweetener. So let's give it a try. I'm the only one that eats these, so I can put my fingers in here. Let's give it a go. Wow. That's not bad at all. Personally, I think 11 packets is the magic number for this jar. Let's see here. 16-ounce jar. So for a 16-ounce jar, 33 grams of monk fruit sweetener. Wow, that is actually very, very close to bread and butter pickles. I honestly don't miss them anymore. I'm really glad I thought about doing this. So anybody doing keto out there, if you miss bread and butter pickles, give this a try. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. So any questions, reach out to me. This is pretty straightforward. I'll try to put in some other keto recipes. There's so many out there if you're trying to stay on track and not cheat. Trust me, I'm always looking for the next best thing. So definitely give this a try, and thanks for stopping by.